Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to install the ANSYS software for finite element analysis. First of all, you have to extract the file onto the into the desired location. For this, you have to know that the ANSYS file has about the size of 20 GB and the installation required about 50 GB approximately. So choose the file according to the size in your drive. And then the most important step is to turn off your Windows security or the any other antivirus software that you have installed, because if you don't do this, then it will not allow the crack version of your software to run on your PC. So turn it off. Now it's all set. You have unzipped all the files and turned off the antivirus protection. Now the next thing you can do is to open the readme file or text file in which all the steps of installation is written clearly. So it will better if you open this, because it will guide you step by step. The next thing which I'm doing is to unzipping all other files of ANSYS into the same disk location. So from onto this point, I have just unzipping all. Now you have to go to the ANSYS folder and mount the disk number 1. Then choose the setup and click on the run as administrator, and then click on the install a license manager. Agree on the terms, click on the next button, and again click on the next button. You can see that this space card is 765 MB. Click on the next. Now the license manager of ANSYS is installing. Installation is complete. Exit the tab. Now the second step is to replace the ANSYS incorporation folder of C with this crack version. So copy this folder, go to this C drive, um, click on the programs, and then replace it. Program files, and then replace this ANSYS incorporation with the crack version. This is important step. If you don't do this, check on the all current values and click on the continue. So you have now installed the license manager and as well as replace it with the crack version. The third step is to run the license manager in the tab and open the browser. Get the system hosted information and enter this information to the license file. So you have to update the server localhost by following the steps that I am showing to you right now. Copy this MAC address E and paste it to the license file, and then save it. Now you have to call this file to the license manager. You can see we have successfully completed steps up to 6. In 7th step, you have to go to the license file and license manager and add the license file that you have updated early on. Choose the file, go to the location, and select the updated license version. Click on the license file, open it. Open it and click on the install license file. The license file has been installed successfully and the license manager is running. So we have up to now installed the license manager, and the 8th step is to install the ANSYS product, which is a main step. So click on the ANSYS, install ANSYS product, and agree on all the terms that presented to you by ANSYS. Choose the location of the file installation, as I have told you earlier that ANSYS required about 50 to 60 GB. Enter the host name as a local host, which is also mentioned on the text file. Type localhost in this tab, click on the next. You can see that this space is equal 66 GB if you have to install all the products of the ANSYS, but we are only interested in some products because I am a mechanical engineer and I am not interested in electrical reliability and discovery, offshore and opticals uh, products. So I only install the mechanical products such as the dynamics, fluid dynamics, and static structure, also the ANSYS geometry interfaces and ANSYS additional tools. So you can see this space required 49 and available is 60, so I'm all set to install the version. Then click on the automatic configure the other software interfaces with the ANSYS. You can see these CAD softwares will be automatically configured with the ANSYS. And you can also check the directory of the modules or products that is going to install. If you want to enter or remove, then go back and do as you require. And the ANSYS is started, installation is started. After 20%, you have to mount the other disks. As you can see, there are 3 disks, so you have to install mount all the disks and call one by one to perform the to complete the installation. First you have to when ANSYS call you to enter other disk, you have to mount the second disk and then call it by browsing uh, and then uh, selecting the disk. Okay, select folder and click on OK. The installation will continue. After 50% or 52%, ANSYS automatically recall you to enter the other disk. So you have to do the same step. First mount the disk and then call this JAL disk by browsing it. Select folder, click on the OK. Now the installation will continue. So this is the important step. You have to call all the disks by mounting and browsing them, and click on the next and then exit. Click on the exit button. Here step is to run the solid squared enabler. Go to the ANSYS file and double click on this application and click on yes. Okay, you have successfully enabled the solid square. Go to the search bar of your window and enter the workbench, not ANSYS workbench. Double click it. Now the workbench is open. Click on any module you want and start working. Thank you very much. If you have any query regarding, I hope you will enjoy this video and share it to your colleague and in your cycle as well. Thank you very much.